Welcome. Okay, I ordered some stuff. There was a holiday in Turkey, like a religious holiday last week, and we didn't get some sets, obviously, as per normal, like in the June. But to my surprise, there were some August sets in stock online and some June sets online, so I ordered them because I knew my local Lego store wouldn't have them due to the holiday. So I got them this morning. They're supposed to be coming Monday. This is Saturday. I'm going to open the boxes and then put them on the floor, and then we'll go one by one. Let's see. I'm loving this. Boy, I can't believe we got some of these sets earlier than the rest of the world. That never happens, not in Turkey, but we did. So I'm not sure about the UK. Okay, that's one box with one box. Awesome. Okay, no, more than one box. Sorry, I lied. Okay, this one. That one. And then we'll do this. Careful I don't cut the boxes, which would be a nightmare. Right, okay. And then we're going to have packing as well. So, okay, let's go with the small box first. What have we got? What do we have? I suppose another way to look at this is I've spent the money now, so it saves me money in August. What do we got? So we've got, oh yes, Aragog. Perfect. The spider looks awesome. That's why I wanted that one. Let's take that off there. Okay, so this, I believe, is one of the August sets. It's Bat Cycle, which is what I wanted, not so much the figure. They're a little bit weird looking, but so yeah, this is Batman construction figure and the Bat Pod bike, which I think is cool. I love this Bat Pod bike. It's cool. So I'll put that over there. Okay. What we got here? Opa! Okay. Ah, yes. I know what this one, the first one is. The big one is in stock as well, but I didn't want the big one, not for the price. I wanted the small one, because the small one apparently is more posable than the bigger one. So I got Simba. Just cut myself, GG's. Simba, okay, Simba. And then, oh yes, okay. This is the double-decker sightseeing bus, Lego City. I really like this. This looks cool. I couldn't get the London bus, the big one. I only could get the small ones because over here in Turkey they're out of stock and very expensive on the second-hand market or new, not unboxed market. So I bought this one, and I like it. It's cool. It's got what's it got? 1, 2, 3, 4 minifigs plus a baby minifig, a mini fig in a pushchair, which is cool. I like it. All right, so we need to kind of put that so that we can see them. Okay, there we go. All right, another three. Wow. Okay. And sometimes I forget what I order. I just see it and I order it. Beza was not happy that I bought this, but she said, "Oh, you could have waited a couple of weeks." I said, "No, run the risk of not having any stock, especially with this very controversial set, Captain Rex Y-Wing Microfighter." All for the Captain Rex figure. Always wanted one, never afford one. Stupid prices. Now I have one. All right, this is another one for a minifigure and an animal. So this has got the red panda, which is new to Lego. Okay, and the minifigure guy, I can't remember his name now, but he's an older figure that's been re-released, so that was cool. Okay, then we have Batman mech armor. Okay, which he's got the wings and you've got the minifigure that pops inside. So I have some other mechs, so I thought I'd get that one as well. And these are getting too crowded. There we go. GG's. Balancing trick. This one. Okay, this is the Luke Skywalker X-Wing mech, which is very cool. I like that. So another mech. I'm not into mechs, but I kind of like these, especially the Skywalker, Luke Skywalker one. And then, oh my god, we have got two more. Yes. Now, this one I really wanted. This is Batman with the Batmobile, V's Harley Quinn, and Mr. Freeze. So you have 3 minifigs, and the Batmobile, the blue one from the comic series, which is very cool. I don't know where I'm going to put it. Okay, let's put it there. Okay, and then last but by no means least, this one I'm really looking forward to, and that's the new Harry Potter Tri-Wizard Tournament The Arrival, which is awesome because it comes with a ship, and I haven't got any ships, so there you go. That's my Lego haul online over the holiday period. I will build the Batman ones first because I don't think some of those are released yet. The Batmobile is very cool because it has a plaque with it and the 3 minifigs from the comic series. So I'm excited about that. This one's very excited for the Harry Potter one, and I think the other Batman one that hasn't released properly yet is either the Bat Pod or the mech. I'm not sure, but anyway, so there you go. More sets to build. Currently building the Gotham City skyline set, the big one, which is going to take a while. I'm not doing a video of it. I'm just doing photos at each stage, each bag. There's 44 bags, and I'm on bag 12, I think, or bag 11. So I'm kind of chilling out and doing that one in the lounge. So got to walk into the lounge, do a little bit, come away, come back the next day, whatever. No rush for that one. So I will do some Batman sets. Probably build these tomorrow. A couple of them, the ones that aren't available yet, and then the rest will build as and when. But yeah, GG's, I'm a happy boy. See you soon. Like the video if you could. Subscribe would be fantastic. I've been told by Lego, if I want to do reviews and not pay for these through the roof here in Turkey, I need 10,000 subscribers. That ain't gonna happen, because I'm not even at 2,000 yet. So yeah, I'd like to reach 2,000 this year if possible. We're now in June, so hopefully that's possible. Anyway, smash the like button, subscribe if you could, if you want to. Only like it if you like the content, that's all I'm going to say. I'll stop waffling now. See you later, bye.